torque tacked up for 6G test. So far, so good. I want to give a shout out to Linux Blades. These things are wonderful. Just keep at it. Got it all browned up. And I'm about to do my cap. See if I can get it done in 2 passes of this test, but I may end up doing a 3rd pass. See how it goes. This is my first pass, my cap. Looking okay so far. I think I could just do one more bead to finish off my cap. So far, I think I'm doing pretty well. I think that's okay. I had some spots like right there. I think I might do a 3rd pass. I had some spots where I had some undercut. And I think a 3rd pass may fix that. So I tried. Much better. Especially up here. Six G ain't bad. It's kind of fun actually. Oh shit, that's my cap. Don't worry, don't keep going, just keep going.
Alright.
Yeah.
What happened?
That's my cap. I mislabeled it, but it's alright.
I'm sorry.
No, it's all good. That was on me. Here's the ultimate test. A little spot right here. This one will be my root.
So the letter's up, right?
Yep.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Struggling.
Oh shit. It broke. Yeah, it broke. I know why it did it too. I'm gonna ask him. I'm gonna ask him if I can cut another coupon for that one, because the way I cut it, the way I ground it down. So I meant that one be my cap.
That was my fault.
That's my fault. Yeah. Cause the way I had cut it a certain way when I was grinding it. That was my test. I ended up getting an 85. I lost 5 points on my root pass because I had some tie-in spots that didn't look all that well. Lost 6 points on my cap because there were certain spots that were high, like this, and they had a little crater right there from where I was trying to tie in my my third pass, while also trying to fill in another crater from the second pass. And then I lost 4 points on my bend test. So this was my cap, which actually I intended on being tested for my root. That's how I explained how this happened. This one was ground. It was ground out a certain way where if it was testing my root, it wouldn't be a problem. But it ended up actually, no, if I was testing my cap, it wouldn't have been an issue. But it ended up being tested for my root, and that's how the split happened. So I was able to cut another coupon and only lost 3 points for that. So all in total, got 85. He said it's good. That's how we're doing right now in our class is good enough to get our foot in the door. But we just have to, just some of those little issues that we've had, that he's noticed. So we have to just, we have to focus on those points to, to ensure that we will get better results in the future. But all in all, I actually enjoy 6G. 6G was actually kind of fun. We're going to start doing 5G, which is in the vertical position. And I'll do a video. God willing, I'll do a video. Some shots of me doing it during my test. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate everything you do as far as joining on and contributing to the comment section. If you're just passing by, check out my older videos, and everyone, please look forward for new videos to come. Any gripes, complaints, send me a PM. I see what I can do to address them. But that's my video. This has been my 6G open root pipe test. Passed with an 85. I'm Edward Jones. You guys take care, be safe, and God bless. This is my root again, the correct way again. Some big stuff.
Spot right in the middle.
That's fine.